Hey there, friends. Say there's a holiday coming up like Valentine's Day and you want to make something cool for like your mother or someone else that's special in your life. If you go to Google Drive, you can click on the new tool and you can go to more and you can choose Google Drawings. When you launch Google Drawings, it gives you a decent sized place to play with, but I like to change it by going to page setup, and I like to make it custom, and I like it to be 8.5 by 11. So I'm going to do 8.5, and I'm going to do 11 this way, and then tell it OK. So now I've got a nice big page to build my cool greetings card. I'm going to do Valentine's Day, and I'm going to make mine for my mom, so I'm going to name it Valentine's Day Mom. One of the first things I like to take care of is the background. Solids are cool, but if you right click and do background, even cooler are choosing gradients. And you can also make custom gradients. I'm going to do this cool pink one. I'm going to try another one until I find one I'm happy with. That's a sweet gradient. The next thing I want to add is Happy Valentine's Day. And I'm going to do that by inserting word art. I'm typing Happy Valentine's Day. I can press enter to save it. I could do shift enter to make multiple lines, but I just want the one piece. I'm going to bring that up to the top of my cool project. I'm going to change its color. So I'm going to click on its fill button. I'm going to use gradient again. And this time I'm going to try the reds because it's Valentine's Day. That's pretty cool. And then I'm also going to pick a epic font. You can scroll through the list and find the one that you think is groovy. And then I like to take these and I like to give them a border or a drop shadow by doing Control C and Control V to make a second one. So that was C as in Charlie, which means copy, and V as in Victor, which means paste. And then I'll take the second one and fill it with a gray, and then I'll get it close to the same spot, zoom a little so I can see better. And when you click zoom, it lets you drag where you want to zoom. And then I'm going to click on my gray one, and I'm going to arrange it by moving it below. So if I hit arrange order and send backwards, it's behind the first one, and then I can nudge them into position so that it makes a sweet looking drop shadow. I'm going to zoom back out by hitting zoom to fit, and there you can see I've got a sweet Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to click on the pick tool. I'm going to grab them both. Notice how it says there are two objects selected. And then I'm going to do arrange, and I want to group those. So now it's one item. So when I click it, it all moves nice and easy. I'm going to insert an image. Inserting an image is really easy. I am going to search on the web. When the window pops up, simply type what you want. I'm going to put a heart in there for my mom. Find one that you think is interesting. I think this one's pretty cool. And then just click on it and tell it insert. When it arrives, you can shrink and adjust to make it look super cool. This little handle lets you rotate it. You can add many, many images, but I'm simply going to add a text box right now. So when I click text box, I'm going to put right, and I'm going to type in a cool phrase for my mom. Once again, I'm going to pick a font that's a little neater. I'm going to change the size so that it looks nice and cool. I'm going to stretch the box so that it really fits. We can go to the font color and make it something cool. That does not work at all, but that's why we try and try again. I'm going to take my text and make it centered. And then down at the very bottom, I could add more pictures if I want, but I'm going to simply put another piece of word art that says Love Mike. This time when I press enter, I am not going to do the double color, but I will click on the Arial and see if I can find something that looks like handwriting. That Pacifico kind of does. And then I can make it super cool so it shows up. And my card is now ready to share with my mom. And you can share your card or whoever you want to share it with by simply putting their email address up here. I'm going to send it to my Kid Harmon account, but you would send it to whoever you care about, and then you would tell them they can comment. And that way they can put little comments about what they thought about your cool card. I hope you had fun building this cool and reusable card that is not hard on the environment, and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.